Welcome to the Bond Cottage. This is the exterior of a tiny house I have designed. In this video, I'll share how I planned this and I'll share what is the plan for this tiny house. So keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of this tiny house. The size I have taken is a 23 feet width and the length is almost 17 feet. Here in the front side of this tiny house, we have 4 feet wide outdoor sitting area. Here you can see the chairs and the table and sitting arrangements, and the left side we have planter, also a right side. So there is a sliding door for entrance, and there is a rear entrance, also a sliding door here. So the main entrance, we will access the center area of this tiny house. We have kitchen and living area. The size is 10 feet 2 inches into 12 feet 4 inches. Here you can see the sitting arrangement, sofa here and a table, tea table here, also a TV unit in front side. So we have a kitchen counter, there is a burner and sink, and here is a fridge, refrigerator area. In the right side we have a room which size is 8 feet into 8 feet 6 inches. Here you can see the arrangement of bed. Also we have a attached washroom plus water closet for separate use. We have a washroom plus water closet. The size is 8 feet into 3 feet 6 inches. Also we have water closet and shower area separately. Here you can see the ventilator, and also here is a large size window for ventilation of this room. In the left side we have a washroom plus water closet for common use. Here you can see the separate water closet and the shower area separately. So here you can see a small size wash basin and a storage unit here. So this is the floor plan of this tiny house you are watching on this screen. Keep watching the video and stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks.